Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. I've been uh, wait, wait. Anyway, um so my friend wanted to do a challenge where today is whoever wins has I suck at people. The winner has to play and win with a Karibo deck. So that's gonna be interesting. Um Both hands I do really well. Uh so I haven't uploaded in, I don't know when. I don't remember the last video I uploaded. It's been a while. I've just been under a lot of stress lately. I'm moving again. Uh, so I don't know if I'm gonna have regular video upload again. How it's gonna work, because I'm gonna be getting a time-consuming job. I'm gonna have a time-consuming job and whatnot. So you know what? I am not even gonna. There is no level restriction on this thing, which is kind of retarded. But anyway, so I don't know if I'm gonna upload anymore. I might just stop putting up content. I don't know. Wait, why am I only playing with one Dark Law? I forgot to finish my extra deck. Shit. Oh, I better make sure the Dark Law don't get destroyed, huh? Oh, Shadow Mist. I forgot to do Shadow Mist. I believe he is a mandatory effect. No, but it's a optional. Is he gonna be a dick? So he's gonna be a dick about it. Okay, fine. He's legit in the right, so whatever. I know that. I was hoping you'd be that. Okay. So we're both playing heroes. Oh shit, and I forgot most my extra deck. So, yeah, it's fine. I got this. Uh, hmm. Wait, Can you? Wait. Oh, wait. What? No. You can't. Nope. You can't do it. So the ruling on it is, because it's a cost. Like, so if it was an effect, it would be fine. But it's not an effect, it's a cost. Um, turn one dogs will really screw them up. Oh, by the way, y'all should go check out his channel. Link will be in the description below. Oh, hold on. You can't call that. I know the ruling, but he doesn't, and he's not gonna take my word for it. So, anyway, yeah, y'all go check out his channel in the description below. I'm waiting for someone to reply. I will be right back, you guys. Okay, we're back. I got it settled. Okay. That will work because it's not a cost. But it will banish the materials. What the hell? Who plays Avion? And that, okay. One elemental heal and one light. The Shining? No. Oh. He gains 2,500. 25 plus 12. It's 37. So I hope you guys enjoyed them. Subscribe and anything. Couch below. I'll catch you guys later. This is Jinzo signing out.